Welcome to my February 15th Creating Photos and Videos product review. I'm taking a look at another suction cup smartphone holder for your car in this video, but this one's a little bit different than the one I've done before. It's still the same kind of suction cup holder, but it's really intended to not only attach to your windshield but also to your dashboard. And it's from DesertWest, and it was in beautiful packaging, and it's made of plastic, of course, but it seems to be very durable. The suction cup itself is really substantial. It seems to be more than a suction. It's also kind of sticky. It will leave a little bit on the window if you put it in the window, but that can be wiped off easily, obviously. But it is very adaptable. And initially I thought, well, I can't use this because it has to go on my dash. But it's got these two knobs. If I loosen this one, this piece comes out, so it'll extend. I'll tighten it up just so it doesn't slide back. And then this one back here lets you raise this, or all the way around. This knob here, up here in the shaft, loosens the ball a little bit so you can twist this, so you can turn this around all over the place. So I was able to easily, in this kind of a configuration, when I need to turn this back, attach this to my windshield. So we'll do that in a second, but I just want to say this is a very nice looking holder, and we'll adapt to, I can put it on this screen that I have I'm in a Subaru Outback, and so I'm not able to use it on my dash because it is sort of flat in some places, but it's rounded and it's textured, and the texture, it just won't hold, the suction cup just won't hold to the texture. But it would hold to this screen, but I don't want to do that because this is my backup screen, and other things that I control from there. There's a cover down here for where the lighter is, and I could close that and put this on there. But I like to have that space for putting things down there. So it's a possibility, but not one I probably would use. All right, so let's see how we can make this work. If I put this up here, that'll work. And see, it actually sticks without, I didn't have to spit this time. And it does have a secondary lever that tightens that even more. And so that's good and tight. In fact, I've had it on here for a couple days to try it out, and I had trouble getting it off the window so I could get under and pull it. It has a little tab so you can get to it. But so I can put this down against the dash like that so it's not going to bounce. And unlike the other one that I've reviewed where there's a twisty thing, it doesn't bounce up and down with the car moving. It stays very steady. So I can put this up like this, and then I just tighten this lever, and then I could tighten the back here. And so that's perfect for using it like a GPS. As I've mentioned before with these holders, is you can use them. I could put this up like this, and I guess I should put a phone in it, shouldn't I? So, and it's very wide, so it'll take a really wide phone as well as standard smaller phones. But so I can have that up like that, and we can do that dash cam thing, and we're ready to go. So it can be turned. If I just loosen this piece back here, I can turn it so it's horizontal. If I do it like that, and I turn my phone on, so I've got the phone on, and I need to tighten this in the back here. Okay. And I can use this like a dash cam. So that's kind of cool. Let's see, where is I go in here to camera, go to selfie. I can record myself with the phone attached to the window. So this is really kind of handy. And as I said, quite versatile, can be put in many different positions. And I think it's well worth the investment if you're looking for this kind of a holder for a smartphone in your car. As I've said before, this is not really my thing, but it's kind of cool that you can do it. I'm using Filmic Pro in its selfie mode. And this is another use for the holder. It's not just for GPS, as I said before. And as I said, we can make this, I have it in selfie mode right now. If I could turn around, it would be like a dash cam. If something happens, if you're in an area where there's a lot of activity sometimes, and it might be useful to document an accident or anything else, then, or whatever reason you'd want a dash cam, you've got one in your pocket. You just need a holder for your smartphone, and this is the holder you might want. So if you're in the market for this kind of a device, I could heartily recommend it because it is really good quality and quite versatile. All right, thank you very much for checking in on this Creating Photos and Videos product review, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.